workplace for that side for Bonanjo. He don't throw away wound some wash people them for that side for Bonanjo. We be talk for them for morning time. We go try for show now as where the thing it happen for place where the one start for make house. Now so too we go tell on this afternoon we go take on go for side where they call them say block 7. Now for Beseke 2 now some quarter that inside a Douala 4 side. When I wait in the day for Sika say they block water no defeat for waka. All people their house for that side. Now water is there for inside. We go left that people then say they talk. So for Tori for this afternoon. We go take una go for place where they call am say a lake Awing. Sabi say that Awing lake it be make plenty tori for this Saturday way pass after where they talk say lake it don't craze. Say gas it don't come up for day. Na palava for red oil. People they drink am. We go talk that palava this afternoon and na so too we go so continue for talk palava for 20 May. We go take una go from Kambe this afternoon. We show na say from Kambe side. If be then a better one way we pass on that side, then we go take una to we go for Chan, we go to for Tinto, say make we see as we number 20 day for inside number 5 moon it pass. Newspaper then says all things be equal. We go talk what we newspaper then talk this afternoon. Big part talk it tell we say waiting say na only Tumbu if it ever sabi. I say waiting na only Tumbu for toilets if it ever sabi first person. Time way country e no dey waka. I say na only Tumbu for toilet e dey ever be first person for sabi sign way country e no dey waka. Na Tanyi Bong for that side so for Kumba e send with big part talk. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon. We glad for joining us for this side. We glad to say una don't put on a television just now for here as we country Ediwaka. And for Tori for our side, na so palava we sabi say for that side so for Konye and for side say where they call them say for side for Konye since yesterday it be then a palava for fire and even for place where they call them say Muyenge with the here say fire too it is also cash when a house where they don't burn them and for Konye side yesterday to be bad people they be run enter for inside bush but as we country they go we say we go this also the talk for now we know if we talk who they put the fire and waiting it they make them before they put the fire for that side so for Muyenge for under Muyoka subdivision and Konye where it dey to na for side for Meme division. So as we the Tori the pass we go talk for now. This afternoon Tori is start na for Bonanjo. Yes. Bonanjo side na workplace. Una dey see no? You see that container for that side. Na container where they don't make small house for people that they get for the shidon for inside. Yes, now the workplace where they don't cover and also for inside Bonanjo. They don't cover all the place. This early morning time will land for day. Police will then say they build they even head boy for place where they want be house. Now the house that they make a half house where they build and we don't fall so. And this house is for with the wash people them. You see as where the house tumble side, you see no? Now container where it is so they don't use and make some small, then they don't dig the other place. Now waiting, it caused the thing for happen so. When the year say they be turn up that place, they don't dig up. Rain too, it don't fall. As well rain the fall, ground it don't dissolve for under. Now so to the thing, it tumble side. It tumble side with the wash people them for day. And no ask and whether they wash people they die or they no die. According to Toribo we hear, they want to just phase 1. You understand? Now the first phase is so we should be sure now. So make una see what will happen for that side for Bonanjo for the morning time. Now the first phase that they want to draw one side for the palava where we try for talk so where it happen for Bonanjo with the wash people them for day. And as well the talk wash people no man as everything no man he no sleep straight according to Toribo enter for we ear and say maybe now something don't happen. But for the other side now so we will enter. Number 2 side we will enter now for sure now the other side yes. When I descend now so for inside the workplaces caterpillar the day inside the dig. Now the other side I see no see far away see as well that thing they come up for them bim. You understand? They come up for that and water there for that place plenty. Work people then what they wash 9 so they be day. Where it is so now they say they be the local the place. They there for hospital. I say the day for hospital just now. As what we talk for here, drip, it dey pass for their skin. Injection, it dey pass for their skin. A bandage, they don't tie am. Food there for up. So all the one they see how the thing chakara. You dey see no? So that people they drink all kind of medicine now, drip too in the pass of their skin. All the one they so they go talk say na wetin. Na accident for workplace no? Yes, na accident for workplace. For sika say no be the head boy for the workplace, e be make am say make that thing tombosa. But as wey they be the dig, they be get for sabi say e dey so ground e go dey soft, and that thing that container skin e go over the heavy on top ground when ground e dey over soft. So na for sika why that way the thing e tombosa. So na the thing that way pass this early morning time for that side. So for Bonanjo, you sabi say Bonanjo na for place that way you fit call am small, say na small headquarter for Douala. Inside Douala, even as wey Douala na headquarter for littoral region, Bonanjo sesep na small pikin headquarter for inside Douala. Na for the way all office dey. Yes, all office and governor, SDO, OD1, D1, all thing na for Bonanjo. So na small headquarter for inside Douala sesep. Abeg, we will enter for number 2 for that photo. E dey like so never show other image for that people, then that container way through way. All thing better pass. We dey try for talk say the other side. Yes, we don't show na the one no. Now the other face this for the two ocean. See pipe for water way the way, and the pipe e dey like say they be drag water na for different side. No be like say na pipe for water, na pipe wey they carry water for different side. So una don see am. Now they work this way. It happen the morning time. So by wash night they dey for hospital. Yes, wash night they dey for hospital, and we no fit talk for na say inside this palava. Yes, we no fit talk for na say inside this palava for wash night we get for do something. So na the thing that way e pass. Now so make we enter now so for different sides. We talk palava fire for place where they call am say loom, country people them. Palava fire for loom site, na fire wey catch for loom site. Population or they be comot for outside, and this population where they comot for outside na for do wetin na for lost fire wey e catch so for that side. All man e be join hand for say make fire e lost for that side. All population be comot. As wey fire start catch, na all man e be join hand say make the fire e no over go far away, and as wey the fire no be fit for go far away, na for sika say this population all they be join hand. They say united na way they stand. So na for sika why that way they be quick and lost fire so for that side for inside loom. Now Toritu e continue for this side. We go take una go for some other quarter country people them. Other quarter wey they call am say block 7 na for Beseke, Douala 4 council area. Yes, Beseke, Douala 4 council area. Now for that side, yes. Now people they are compound this or people they are quarter this where water it don't cover the whole place. Now people they are quarter this way water it don't cover the whole place. It means say they don't even get place for them for waka put their foot on top. Now for sika say they don't block water where water be get for pass. See small pikin, it don't wear own boot. You dey see am, papa he wear boot, small pikin wear boot. Water e don flow so tey e dey enter na for inside people their housing. Yes, water e flow so tey see na small pikin that into the wear boot. For sika say the water don too much, and na for sika say wetin they say this water they be don open road e be get for pass. People they get for waka. So when water drain say e fall e dey only wawa na wawa for these people them for block 7 for that side. So for Beseke for inside Douala 4. So e dey make the people they now so they dey hear back. See mami dey comot for a house e get for waka for water come turn up on top the thing. So turn up they, and this quarter e just dey na for boundary with army rescue unit for that side for Bonaberi. They say former commander if you don't talk say they go open road, but so today these people they so suffer, they cannot suffer. If you no get boot for weather, you must find some better shoes. I say better shoes where you go wear them for say make thing the work I find for that side. So call the people then. So these people they cry and they talk say may organ governor delegate and even par mayor for that side. So for Bonaberi way na better man make the try for see as so they can open the water so that place if it they pass. Now some people the day way they don't tire the place. For Sika say they don't tire the place, they don't run the house. Now the house in this. Yes, now house in this way people they don't run come off for day. For Sika this water way it don't enter for day. And now for Sika say waiting, roads where the water get for pass, they don't lock roads. So water it no get no other way if you walk a pass. Water it no get no other road wey if you waka pass, so water don enter na for only for inside people their house. And the water no be na sef say na water wey e comot na for some side, na water e be get for the pass, but the water no get road for pass. You understand? Water no get road for pass. Fish chef small time you go for there, you fit catch some small fish. You no need for go for river wuri again. You go catch fish for for inside this water country people. You fit catch fish so for inside the water. So the people that they don't run left their housing for sika this water way. E don't work as so e no get place to be. E don't only enter. Now later than that way they don't write am for BB people them. Even people then they say na Saturn people that they cause it palava. They don't write letter give for Saturn. They don't write letter to give and to for who? For Oga Mayor. They write letter again for Oga who again? Governor delegate. All they so now for Christ say they suffer. What are they enter their house? How they go do? Now they letter than that. No be na say na palaba something. All the people them they dey for inside Douala. Na Cameroonian them. We dey na one. But they suffer. Water the water pass for that before. No man you know the fee for tongue no nothing. Make we hear wait to wait some mommy talk for inside the palava.
Na Satom don't kill we so. We don't there for the quartier, so we don't stay for the. We never ever see witness this kind of water way there for this quartier for the year. Na Satom don't kill because they don't make the road, they don't open with gutter. We dey suffer for here. Even where we have to cook chop for picking no day. My man therefore they don't fall sick when I only do water. I don't carry water, carry. Now I don't fall sick, Papa. When no day we place to have even stand. I wash even close them every morning time. I don't turn a bricklayer. For begin go buy cement, can't lock hold and day, Papa. We do suffer for the cartier, Papa. Make government to look for us suffer, we do suffer for here. My man there for us where no day, because don't only carry the water, carry. He don't sick, he there for bed day. Picking the day has no way no day we do suffer. Look outside when na water. Place for put food no day. Kitchen na water. Backside na water. Commandant will become for here. Now you don't say go flop. That commandant will don't go. So he say go flop the place. Then open with gutter. Can't reach today. He don't go in retirement. You know open with that gutter, Papa. Now we would suffer so. We would beg government, Papa God. Make it try way if you open with the gutter for you. We will picking them. We feel leave the other people that I said they leave their own house. We stay now inside water, bed now water, all play now water. Papa not even know what even talk.
Now one of the mommy then we did she done for inside that block 7 for Beseke for side where they call him say Bonaberry. Now so we'll be talk with you another man so for inside that quarter with na head boy for that quarter. Make we hear you.
2016 where Satom start the work. They come all houses they will broke them for corner there. Outgoing commandant will be before ya for Sapeye when our neighbor he go take the ground. Come block where I got away, we will get where I got away the flow. No one will not get a problem. Later we say for the outgoing commandant. He talk for the former chef the block where don't I say he after that he go fill back he go open the gutter. After where he don't finish, the people they carry the engine then go them. Satom too, they don't walk their road, see how the worker end for here. Now with this we do for here. If you look for here, I don't write for commune, I write for Dio, I write except Chief Tanko don't help for write. We don't write all place. Now with this what we do inside water, all we're picking them, even picking for 1.5 years. He must weigh both. This thing don't pass me because I don't work at all place.
Yes, so that one na suffer way people them for block 7 for Beseke, for that side for Douala for the suffer. Water, you know the fit for waka fine, for Sika say they don't block roads, it the enter now for inside house. Una be member for Saturday, we go start with this photo. The photo be turn for all sides. For Saturday, for inside Cameroon number 19 day. All Pikin, yes, oya. Even small Pikin, be the drink red oya. Yes, it be then a big day for red oil for that side for Bamenda. Pikino red oil. Papa Pikin, it take red oil, gear and so for a Pikin. You understand? And even mommy say he carry bottle red oil, they drink like say na mimbo or na normal water. Then other people then say be then a competition. See gallon. You see red oil where they be the drink am. All the one they so na for Sika say, you see the one he carry na red oil for pot. He the drink am. Say like a wing, he don't chakara. So all then they don't tell them say make they drink red oil. If no be so, trouble you can see the one they see Papa, see picking them. They the chop na red oil. So it be been a big day for red oil before National Day. For Sika say waiting. Lake Awin, he don't chakara. Say he go give them this, he go give them do one, he go give them do one. So now the thing then that will be happen. Pikino he be by force for drinking red oil. All man he be this also drink red oil. Ben lie. We go for Lake Awin. Yes, we don't last enter for Lake Awin for see whether for true. The lake it be even chakara. We be go there with the DO. And DO says only the Kamamburu people there they be there for a corner. You understand? You sabi say now so no that way DO they get for the work one. Because if you work one, so they thief you. So DO says he go for that side for Lake Awin. We say make we go see where the way it pass for Lake Awin. Whether to Lake Awin a gas where it is smell. The man say he tell we say na lie. See as we carry water. You see no? He carry water for that side for Lake Awin. Papa drink and make put the see am. Very good. He drink and no nothing no happen. Even Kamamburu man say he send his hand for inside water, touch am. I say no. But the water never gas, no nothing. So wait till people they touch say the water don't gas, so it smell people they get for drink oil. Now the thing that will make our enter for Lake Awin, see water for Lake Awin. It dey normal. No nothing no they happen for day. Whether na for outside the pump come say Lake Awin don't gas, then the thing it smell. That man I no sabi for talk. So Lake Awin eternal fine. No nothing no the pass for Lake Awin. People there they say Lake Awin be the gas, so the gas is smell. That one no nasabi. Now National Day for inside Douala. Hey, I be the talk for corner. Benamo city happen on top Bonaberi Bridge. We no be feel for sure na the one for sake say plenty of the bad people then they for feel say they for run. So any man will be the pass on top bridge for 20 May. Forget. If you no get identity card, Okada you must to show your identity card. Moto they say gendarme they be flop for outside, Kamamburu they be flop, and they no be the check people there they come out aqua CD to them. They work they no get identity card. Una she don for them put una hand for head. Una she don for ground put am. She don for ground. She don put your hand for your head. Criminal. Una the tonton na no the whole ID card. Put your hand for up. Put am. Very good. She don. Una put hand there for up no. Very good. They say that the tonton they no work out identity card. So nothing that will happen on top bridge for 20th May. Any man will be come up on a bury the countdown. Forget. You no get identity card. She done for one side. Now so it be they happen. Nothing this will happen for 20th May. Where they be the march for Beseke for on top bridge. You will no get identity card. Now so they be do them. Carry plenty people there for that side. Only for seeker say they no be get identity card. So now the thing that way pass. For that side, so on top bridge for number 20 day for inside this moon. Now we'll be talk with the one mommy. He talk now only small. The mommy talk say people they don't get identity card. Now then sabi. Mommy talk.
Where anyone would say now so papa will fit on a security. Would always say. Where for identity way correct now for say me all man get identity papa. Now you are also say that the control and so for here.
Very good. We go take una now so we enter for the thing proper. We take una go for place where they call and say Bonalea. Now so some small place for inside Douala here. 20th May, Iwaka fine for that side. Yes, inside Bonalea, self. National Day, Iwaka fine. See people then they enter for motor dust. A floor for their skin. Now as there people them all man in the wipe dust for skin. They enter now for bag motor. Oga di osese be dede, even mayor, all them they be she done. As well they so they be get for march. Kamamburu peoples for Bonalea na then start the waka march but now only then 3 they march, only 3 gendarme them. Then after we scout people they march. Then after we scout people they march. Sabi say for that side you get FICO the way they did for under and other one them. Primary school picking 1, 2, 3, 4. You see so now the thing then that way pass after political party and other people they march so for that side where they call them say Bonalea. So then Gando it be pass fine for place where they call them say Bonalea for inside Douala here. Now for side for Norwest from Kambe side to Ebide na different thing. Now come and see for that side so for Nkambe big day for number 20 May. Ebi waka fine like say no nothing no be dey happen for that side. Now guys you say it be start now with Musanga for people the way they don't the help say make country e go for before. E give them small Musanga. After that one march. Left right. Salute. Very good. Well, see, but The man, if food the go for up like say, he no fit make mistake. After police people they follow for back, e be then a correct match where it happen. So for that side, so from Cambe, so they even police people there they ride Okada. Then say they be there. Primary school picking them. Now then they follow for back, and government, they match. Even government secondary school them all them. So all man it become also for that side from Cambe for 17. Make they do National Day celebration, and the place where it happen from Cambe all thing e waka fine. One day they waka na inside tractor, all them they pass, and even other one the CPDM, all people them they be joined for march. So the big day for that side, so from Cambe it be waka fine like say no nothing e no be dey happen for any other place. All thing e be waka straight for that side, so from Cambe as well they march pass. So na so e pass for that side, so from Cambe. But sabi say dem gando be sweet, and e be sweet na for sika say wetin small pikin dey be dey for dance all the country dance dem for inside the 10 region. Make we see am. So, country people them now so the big day for number 20 day it be passed for that side, so from Cambe now so for Norway's sabi say if combo it be there some kind of way Bamenda town say population no be there, but from Cambe we see a different thing as so we see am so for inside image. Now for Tinto wetin happen? Now Tinto that I will put small volume for up small.
Tous tes enfants du nord aussi, de l'est à l'ouest, soit tout à fait élu pour remplir les
sides. It be there na only palava for DO, 4 gendarmes plus the other one they be there then 6. If I count and fine, yes, you get 2 for here. Then you get 4 for the other side. Then the person is set and up. So if you count and fine, they then around then 7 where it is, so they be make big day for that side. So make we see how many people there they get for march for Tinto. Population no there for Tinto. Who side they don't go? Who side the population they don't go? I know Sabino asked me. Yes, no man you know be there. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 gendarmes. The glad big day. Ogadi it be turn up one for grandstand. Then for a back another gendarme be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get total na 6. If we get for 2 hours, 7 people them. Where the glad big day for that side, so for Tinto empty place. So you get the other one them. Na motor that bring all them for this side. So now the big day that after the march pass, National Day finish. Yes, after that one National Day it finish for that side, so for Tinto. So now so the thing happen. If it be na palava only Kamamburu palava population e no be there for talk. Well, if Chang don't be there, then maybe we fit talk palava for Chang. But if Chang never prepare, then we will surely turn back for a way to happen for that side for Chang. When we go turn back for this side, so make we enter for Toriwe newspaper. Then set the talk for this morning time. The Star newspaper way there for our side. Editor we say waiting say Southwest Elite Association. They don't write for Nkunkuma country people them, and for inside that big letter where Southwest Elite Association they write them for Nkunkuma. They talk plenty thing them. Palava for Northwest and Southwest it dey for inside. So for inside the Star where it dey for outside. They try for talk say moon for April. Now it get the highest number for people the way they throw away blood for inside Cameroon. The Star newspaper says it talk other small tori them where it happen for inside country. Palava tori man says for the Sun newspaper where it die after Okada in Naki for that side, so for Limbe. Other tori the day where the Star newspaper wey dey for outside e carry am. Make we enter for inside the other newspaper wey dey for outside for this morning time. The Horizon newspaper wey dey for outside for this sun time. E tell we say wetin? Say 2018 big day. They dey try for tell we say e be dey na some kind of way, some kind of one as wey the team pass for northwest and e pass to for that side, so for southwest. So for inside the Horizon, they talk palava and kunkuma where they talk say some one of the member them for inside CPDM. He says he don't write letter for send am from kunkuma for tell you say wetin, say make each comot for outside, make no she done again for power. For sika say wetin, he own time, he don't pass. On top the same palava, they talk as way United States ambassador too for country too, he don't talk from kunkuma, say make he look himself for say make he make he come up for chair. The Sun newspaper says dey for outside. Inside the Sun, 20th May, according to which way the Sun e talk e be dey na palava for some people them for glad, other one them for cry. They say SDF and Maurice come to a party MRC or CRM. Them says they be the march before Nkunkuma for vex for the plenty people them where they don't die for northwest and southwest. Now so to the enter to for inside the palava for northwest and southwest. They tell you say wetin people there where they want divide country. People there they fight for a divide for country. They don't so thief people them inside this palava. They tell you as well they take second assistant SDO for that side, so for Lebialem, and at the one after we they thief DO for that side for Batibo. They tell we waiting to happen with Bangem the mayor and deputy mayor before big day way pass. Now so to the top palava their own die where they talk this Ella Joffrey he own die we na Okada Ikili palava to US ambassador and Kunkumam. The Sun newspaper he carry am for on top his skin. Make we enter now so for inside the Guardian Post wey dey for outside. Guardian Post wey dey for outside today. They determine a palava waiting 20th May. How the 20th May be day? E be day na one way. E be get some kind of one them. Northwest and southwest. E no be day na the same way they be glad the 20th May. The Guardian Post e talk all that story as well the thing e happen for the two region them and how way e pass to for that side for other Cameroon. So for inside the Guardian Post you go read this story wey concern palava Lake Awin wey e gas then e make people then they start drink na palm oil red oil be na the highest one wey people they be drink and then to the talk palava talk wey US ambassador for country e talk from Kunkumam say make e check palava how way e name if he go for up if he talk say he no go turn up again for vote say make e check other people the way they don't do other kind of thing the way their name e don't so remain for history so for today. This one e dey come where they tell you say wetin SDF they don't start for talk waiting, they don't start for check as way e dey so they get for a divide or for try for boycott some kind of thing them. All the one they so plus Ella Joffrey e die e dey for inside the Guardian Post where e dey for outside. The Eden newspaper says it turned back for National Day Ngando number 46 on way pass for Sunday. They try for terrorist rating. It be then a day for some people then for glad, someone then cry, someone then fear for inside their heart. They tell we as well Yawinde and Douala all thing Iwaka fine. But for the other place then for Northwest Southwest, it be then a one way, it be just there some kind. Inside the Eden, you go see all photo them as well the thing it happen. So for inside the Eden, you feel read other small to read them. Even Palava countryman for the Sun newspaper, Ella Joffrey, where he says he die, they talk for inside the Eden newspaper. So, con the people them, na the way that we'll see country this afternoon. Sabi say we go turn back when we get the Tory. We go so turn for corner for see as we country it happen. But Tory says it go turn back for here for 6 o'clock for Queen Elisa country talk. Then for 8 o'clock Emmanuel Macron country talk. So now for she done for follow Tory for inside Equinox Story House. Make una hold am tight for outside.